Now, bring it on. Together as RWUS women, let me see all your hands up. See me all your hands up. We're going back to the pride of Rivers State. Radio Rivers was a gift to us in Rivers State. Radio Rivers gave us a song that united us as one people. Together we're going to do that song together. Don't pull the other man down. Don't wish him bad. Put your hands up. There are better things to do. Better pastimes around. Careless talks is not the right way. Bam, 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 bam. Love River State or leave her alone. Don't pull her down. Think what you can do for her. Engage yourself in meaningful activities. No room for gossips. Say, do something. Make some noise. God bless you. Rivers women unite for Sim Fubara.
God bless Rivers women. God bless Rivers State. God bless Nigeria. God bless Governor Sim Fubara. God bless our FCT minister, Chief Wike. God bless President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. And God bless the mother of the nation, Senator Oluremi Tinubu. God bless us all. Happy Valentine. I love you all.
Happy Valentine's Day. That is the message from Rivers State. That is the message from Port Harcourt, from the Niger Delta. They're out. Women, make some noise, make some noise, make some noise. One River State. 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 Talk to me now.